Alright guys, today we are going to take a look at the Easy Up Beach Tent Sun Shelter by Easthills. Okay, so this is made of 185T polyester and it comes with a nice carrying bag. This is very lightweight and portable. It weighs only 5 pounds and is very compact. It's convenient to carry with you or store in the trunk of your family car. So we're just going to set this up real fast. Wow! And look at that! Now this holds about 2 people. Of course, you could add a small child or 2 in there as well. And if you look closely, there are 2 internal mesh pockets that allow you to store and organize your personal items, especially if you don't want to get any sand on them or have any risk of losing anything. There's also a wider mesh pocket up at the top for any of your super valuable things, I would suppose. You also have windows, mesh windows that are covered by a convenient privacy shade. There are 2 windows and they provide great ventilation and when you cover them up, protection from the sun. I'm going to roll it up to show you what it looks like when it's all rolled up. As you can tell, this is a nice tan color. I believe it does come in another color, blue as well. On either side of the tent, there are Velcro sand pockets that are very easy and no hassle. All you have to do is shake the sand out afterwards, and you're all set. Very, very easy to remove. Here's a look at the back. As you can tell, there's another Velcro sand pocket, and it is pretty wide. I believe you can fit a little bit more than 2 people in there. A little cozy, but it does work fine. Alright, so there are stakes included in this, so you don't have to worry about the tent flying away. And so we're going to pack this back up and put it right into the bag.
Yeah.
Ooh. This is going to be great for the beach this summer when I go with my friends. We are not going to be toasty or burnt or anything. We're going to be protected by all these harmful UVs by this wonderful, wonderful beach tent. It's great that this is not going to take much room in a vehicle. This is compact and very lightweight, so it's great to carry around as well. Oh, there we go! And don't forget the stakes. All right, that is all we have of the Easthills Outdoor Beach Tent. This is going to be a great product that I will have for me when I go to the beach this summer. Thanks for watching.